day 4 of me trading $100,000 challenge, and today is bad. Today is really bad. Today is not that good of a day. Yesterday I was down 2%, and today I'm down 6%. I lost all 4 of my trade, which is not that good. But anyway, this video is gonna be real quick. So as you guys can see, down 6.3%. Like I said, this strategy can pass your account real quick and it can blow your account real quick. So I always have my plan down. I write my things down in my book. I have my plan down. So tomorrow what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be risking 1.5% a trade. I'm only gonna take 2 trades tomorrow, 1.5. If I win 1, I can be back close to break even. If I win 2, I can be up around 2%. But I'm gonna be risking 1.5% because my risk ratio reward is 1 to 2 to 1 to 3. So if I lost those 2, my last plan, which I already tell you guys, is I'm either gonna trade news or I'm gonna scalp the account. But I'm trying to lean more to the news because news on Friday is NFP. January was moving really, skeptical, but February we see that markets starting to move nicely again. So I'm thinking that February news is going to be really nice, and I'm going to be trading the news. If I'm down, if tomorrow we make some profits, we win trade, we can go back into profit, then I will not trade the news. The news, usually I use it as a last result to bring the account back to break even, or just pass it at once and be done with it. All right, so that's the plan. You always have to have a plan. This challenge, like I said, this challenge, we're trying to pass it real quick. So this strategy I'm using can pass your strategy challenge quick, or you can fail it quick. So it is what it is. This is one of those weeks where it looks like we're gonna fail it quick. So this is day 4 or day 5, I don't even remember, but this is day 4 of the account. As you guys can see, 6% down. 5 trades. I try to take 4 trades, it's not 5. The reason why is I mistakenly entered this trade, which was a gold trade. I just closed it right away. Today trades we take, first trade was I think the first trade we take was 1% loss, which was the AOJPY. We lost a trade here again, and we lost a trade on AOJPY, which was 1.9%. And the reason why we lost this 1.9 was there was the news which I did not know about. I thought the news usually comes around 8:30, which was dumb. I don't know why I think that. But there was a news which was NFP. I think non-farm productivity. I think that news comes out, and we lost around 2% because I did not know. If I should have known, I should have put my stop loss to break even and let the trade run, because I was in profit. I was close to 1 to 2 at the time. Then the news comes out, take me out, and this was the last trade I take on gold, which was 981, and I just ended it there and call it a day. So these are the 2 trades. Let's jump into AOJPY. Let me just show you guys that real quick. All right, so these are the 2 trades we take. We have a nice trend line going on here. We have a strong support level around here. So what market did was it comes down. The first trade I take, as you can see, let me just push this all the way back there. We take a buy. Let me just cut this right there. So this is what happened. Right, markets come, markets was like this, reject the level, because I usually start around 6 o'clock, right? So I miss all this move, right? So around this move, market come back down to the support level, reject, close bullish. So what I did, I enter a buy, and I put my stop loss just below the wick, and I trade it. But let's see what happened. Market take me out, right? Lost a trade on that one. And the next trade I take was markets come back down. I was like, okay, cool, fine. It comes back down. It respect the trend line. It respect the support level. I feel like this is the time it's gonna go up. Guess what? Market go up. Wait for it, because I was waiting for like a bullish candlestick. So it showed me a bullish candlestick, right? So it did a double top, which I feel like a lot of people should have entered this trade. It did a double top, and I was aiming for 1 to 3 on this trade too as well. 1 to 3, and we enter another buy again on that. and let's see how that plays out. It kind of, like you said, like you guys can see, it almost go, it was at 1 to 2.7, and guess what, the news comes out, and guess what the news does, right? What am I doing? All right, so the news comes out, and guess what, boom, takes me out. I lost, like, instead of losing 1%, I lost 1.9%, right? I think that's GJ, I don't know. The next trade I enter, okay, the EJ trade, that's what happened, spread everything, it takes me out. So the last trade I entered was gold. Gold was a very simple trade. The market go respect the resistance level. If you look at the 1 hour, you can see that that's a really nice resistance level, and I enter a sell right there. I put my stop loss just above. The reason why I put my stop loss above here, because I see that this level was respected multiple times. I would like to find markets break it, close below this level, so I think that market is going to keep going down. It did go down for a little bit, then it just come back up, and guess what, after some minutes it come back down after it take me out, and it just hits my TP. I'm not even in the trade. But anyway guys, that's what happened for today. All I can say is have a plan. The challenge is the hardest part. Like I said before, challenge hard, verification hardest, and funded easy. But people think that the funded account is the most difficult. It's not difficult. Like, just risk 0. If I was trading on my funded account, I'm not even worried. Now I'm down 0.6, I'm risking 0.1, I'm down 0.6. I'm not gonna worry, I'm just gonna relax, because I know at the end of the week or the end of the month, I'm just gonna withdraw. That's why even some of my funded accounts I only withdraw in a month. Like this strategy, right, this day swing strategy, right, I only withdraw in a month, right, only withdraw in a month, right, every single month, because that's how the strategy is. That's how the strategy tells me. If I withdraw in 2 weeks, the next 2 weeks I'm just gonna lose. Maybe I'm just gonna be in a losing streak. You never know. So I like to withdraw in a month and start the month refresh, you know, new. But anyway guys, please subscribe, punch your likes button, and comment down below what you think. Do you guys think I'm gonna pass this challenge, or I'm gonna fail this challenge? You know, be honest.